We're going to show you the 6,500 Kelvin, 40,000 lumens of up to 1,600 feet throw. 1-to-1 ratio, adjustable 360-degree lighting to lighten up the areas of the car's front to the headlights beams. These are the lights. So we're going to just demonstrate a little of the light. From the provider, Termitor, 9012 HIR2, 6500 Kelvin. The IP65 rated 365 degree, 10 times brightness with pair of gloves. Provided information with information and a guide about your product. O-ring gaskets and a right angle 1mm plus Allen key. Before handling the bulb, universal gloves, and the bulb plugs into a module of your car. A close-up look at the bulb, and we'll light up the bulb to show you what it looks like in low light. We'll show you what the bulb looks like at low light. Made of a metal body, O-ring and backup O-ring included. Removing the body by placing in the Allen key and rotating, allowing to remove the mechanism off. Changing out the O-ring is simply grabbing and moving. As we pinched off the O-ring and placing on a new O-ring for demonstration purposes, grab the O-ring, slide over, and lock into place. Placing back on the bracket, the module, and locating the screw hole. Adjusting the angle of your car for the module and locking down. If you want your module facing down or sideways, the adjustment was required. The lights are cooled off. These locations over here, 9012 light bulbs, and that's the information provided on. So if you're looking for 6,500 Kelvin lights for your car, these may be something that you're looking for. I hope you enjoy your product and automobile needs.